Hey there, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a real estate website using Claude AI. So we are going to use here Laravel for the backend. So this is going to be a Laravel project, Laravel real estate website using Claude AI. So I'm going to show you all the process step by step. Let's just go with the installation process at first. I'm going to show you how you can install Claude AI at first. So to install Claude AI, we are going to actually go with the easiest way, and the easiest way is by using an extension. So we are going to go with an ID at first, because in the ID we are going to install extension and then we are going to use Claude AI. So go for the Google anti-gravity. I mean, you have to search it and then you can find here antigravity.google.com. Go there and go for the download section. Here you can see we have anti-gravity 2.0, anti-gravity CLI. We will go for anti-gravity IDE. Okay. Now click here download for x64 Windows. Then it will start downloading. I already installed it in my PC. Let me show you. If I open it, here you can see. So this is the interface of the IDE. Okay, anti-gravity IDE. Now what you have to do, you have to go for the extension section. Here you can see, and we have to go for Claude Code for VS Code. And this is from Anthropic. You can see. So you have to install this. I already installed it, and after the installation, you will find here chat option. You can see under this extension section, you have Claude Code chat option. Now you can actually click here new session and then chat. There will be a chat option. You can see if I click here new session, there will be a chat option. So I'm going to remove this from here now. I'm going to add my project here and then I will go for the chat. So as it is a Laravel project, we have to either create Laravel project manually through Composer, or maybe we can actually ask this AI to generate the whole project. I mean, from the very beginning, from the scratch, let's say by creating the folder, then project, then all the things. So I'm going to go with at first XAMPP. Why? Because as it is a PHP project and Laravel is PHP framework, right? So we need server for this, and to run PHP server side scripting language, we need server, right? And then for the database, we need MySQL server. So XAMPP will provide us these two server. I already installed XAMPP. Let me just show you from where you can actually download XAMPP. You can see apachefriends.org. You can click here, and then from here you can download the latest version. Okay, I already have this. This is the control panel. You can see, and you will get Apache MySQL server here. You just have to start both of them. Okay, and after that you have to actually go for the installation drive. If you go to the installation drive, and in this case I've installed it in C drive, you may install it in different drive. There will be a folder called XAMPP. You have to go inside this and then htdocs. All right, and here I will create my project new folder, and the folder name will be real estate. Okay, it's a real -lara -AI. This is my project, let's say. Okay, now I'll drag and drop the project here. So I'll drag and drop it here. I have added the project, right? In the right side we have other section. We are not going to use this. We are going to use the extension. Currently we are inside, you can see real Lara AI. Now we'll go for the Claude Code chat option. From here we're going to click new session, and here you can see this is a chat option. From here we're going to select auto mode. That's it. Okay, from here we're going to select auto mode. All right, now here we're going to give all the information about our project. So I will suggest you to go with chatbot like ChatGPT or Gemini here, because if you give here random information, it cannot actually make a fully functional site for you. So you need a fully functional professional prompt for this. So let's go for the prompt. For the prompt we are going to use here ChatGPT. Let's go for the chatgpt.com. You may use here Gemini. So let's use Gemini here. Okay, Gemini, googlegemini.com. Okay, so we are going to use this, and here we are going to mention all the related things about our project. Let's say I want to say here, I want to create Laravel real estate project. It will be, let's say, website. Okay, website using Laravel 12. Or let's say Laravel. I will say using Claude AI. Okay, Claude Code AI. Need a prompt for this. Use following informations. For the front end, we are going to use here. HTML, CSS, JS, then let's say Bootstrap. You can use other framework also. Then let's go for the backend. We are going to use Laravel here. Then for the database, we are going to use MySQL. All right, and we need color combination. Let's say color combination. Now you can actually go for the color picker. Okay, color picker. You can go for the any of the color picker. Okay, if you search it, here you can see HTML color code. We can actually go there also, and from here we can choose any color. Here you can see we have yellow combination. Now it's up to you, depends on you. Let's say I want this color. Okay, I want this color, so I'm going to actually copy this. Okay, I'm going to copy this and I'm going to say here, let's go back to the Gemini, and here I'm going to paste it. Then I will say I'm not a coder, do all the things for me, like creating the project. Then I will say adding the schema file into the database and run the server also. So give me a prompt. Now you can give here more information also, it's up to you. Then it will give us a prompt. Here you can see, since you are using Claude Code, and this is the prompt. Okay, copy and paste into the Claude. So I will copy and paste everything from here. Okay, so let's copy this. So I'm going to copy from here. So let's go back to the Claude, and here we are going to paste it. We have already run the server, you can see Apache and MySQL. Now we have to actually select here auto mode once again. Here you can see, make sure you have select this and then hit enter, or maybe you can click here this up arrow sign. Then whole project will be done by this AI. We don't have to do here anything. Okay, there will be some pop-up. I mean, it will ask for permission. You have to just give the permission. That's it. So I'm going to fast forward the video, and when the project will be done, I will show you the output. All right, guys, here you can see we have here the complete project. You can see these are the steps it done. Now here you can see this is the local host, so it's run the server basically. Okay, and here we have home page and all the properties. So let's just access the project at first. Okay, so let's copy this URL. Okay, http localhost. So we are going to copy this. Okay, and let's go to the browser. So we have here contact section, you can see, and we have here properties section. We have here categories. You can see we can actually choose here house, let's say, and here you can see this is the house. Now we can click here in the house, and then we can send inquiry. We can just give our name, email, and phone number. Okay, so guys, if you want to create this kind of professional website, you can create this. You can create through Claude AI, and I've shown you how you can do this. And I will actually add the project code in the description. I mean, I will add a link in the description. Through the link, you can download this whole project code. If you need project full code, you can actually download it through the link. So I will add the link in the description. You can check it. That's all. Thank you so much for watching this video.